Make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the rear wiper fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay till the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the rear wiper fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Escape here. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted model. It will work for both. We have 3 different fuse boxes and today we'll work in just one. That fuse box that we need is under the hood. Open the hood, and when you face the engine, on the right side you have a fuse box under this cover here. Open it, you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. And now, where is the rear wiper fuse? If you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts at a really good price and quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. This is the front of your Ford Escape. This part of the fuse box faces the windshield, that's passenger side, driver side. If we zoom in and we come in this section here, the fuse that we're looking for, the rear wiper, is fuse number 42. That 15 fuse guys that you see right here, you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time.